A gruesome terror attack has shocked the world. 26 people were shot and killed in Kashmir. The horrific incident took place when terrorists were involved. They killed tourists in the Baisaran Valley. The Indian Armed Forces have launched operations, and early investigations point fingers towards Pakistan. The terror attack came days after Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir's inflammatory speech, where he called Kashmir Pakistan's jugular vein.
Is absolutely clear. It was our jugular vein. It is our jugular vein. We will not forget it. And we will not leave our Kashmiri brethren.
Since the attack, tensions between India and Pakistan have increased. Pakistan's ceasefire violations have been met with equal strength. India's leadership has promised to avenge the attack and punish the terrorists and their backers.
Today, from the soil of Bihar, I say to the whole world, India will identify, track, and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism. Terrorism will not go unpunished. Every effort will be made to ensure that justice is done. The entire nation is firm in this resolve. Everyone who believes in humanity is with us. I thank the people of various countries and their leaders who have stood with us in these times.
And preparations have begun. India's armed forces have launched large-scale drills. The Air Force and the Navy are leading the muscle flexing. India has also suspended the Indus Waters Treaty. This means it no longer adheres to the treaty, which prevents India from controlling the flow of waters in the western tributaries of the Indus. Pakistan sees this as an act of war. Islamabad has pledged to attack if New Delhi diverts waters of the Indus.
Any attempt to stop, reduce, or divert the flow of water belonging to Pakistan under the Indus Waters Treaty would be responded to with full force and might, and nobody should remain under any kind of false impression and confusion.
जिन पर चर्चा करने के लिए ही कोई तैयार नहीं था। डर था कि कहीं वोट बैंक नाराज हो जाए तो। अब में बैठे लोगों को इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था। महिलाओं के हित में, मुस्लिम परिवारों के हित में हमारी सरकार ने ट्रिपल तलाक के विरुद्ध कानून बनाया, वक्त कानून में। लेकिन वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए इस नेक काम को संशोधन किए गए हैं, जो सही मायने में मुस्लिम माताओं बहनों, गरीब मुसलमान, पसमानदा मुसलमानों के काम आएगा। साथियों, एक और बहुत बड़ा काम हुआ है जिसकी चर्चा उतनी नहीं होती। ये काम नदियों से जोड़ने से जुड़ा है। अभी पानी के संबंध में अतिदेव जी ने पूछा क्या करेंगे। दशकों तक हमारी नदियों के पानी को तनाव का, झगड़े का विषय बनाकर रखा गया, लेकिन शुरू किया है। केन बेतवा लिंक परियोजना, पार्वती काली सिंह चंबल लिंक परियोजना, इनसे लाखों किसानों को फायदा होगा। वैसे आज
कर दिया
आप बहुत जल्दी समझ जाते हैं। पहले भारत के हक का पानी भी बाहर जा रहा था, अब भारत का पानी भारत के हक में बहेगा, भारत के हक में रुकेगा और भारत के ही काम आएगा।